worked.
Get on that truck.
Simulator. You gotta run the whole truck, not just cook the food in it. Ooh, now it's Grand Theft Auto!
Okay, press space to use
Honestly,
the brakes.
the UI looks uncomfortably like
Press
Grand
Z
Theft Auto.
to attempt to flip your vehicle. Okay.
Oh yeah, let's go flip off a bridge, baby.
Oh, why'd you switch my viewing angle? Here we go. Oh.
This alley is disgusting.
Okay, get to selling points, I guess. And go sell over here. Uh-oh.
Driving around with Dad was always
Ah,
fun.
what is the car?
Although this doesn't exactly feel the same,
That was close.
it's still nice.
I'm gonna run people over.
We can't get arrested on day one of our food truck business.
I kind of wish that you could destroy things as you drove through them, not gonna lie. That's the only thing it's missing.
And they're being really careful, making sure that you know it's not Grand Theft Auto. Although it'd be more intense if you could destroy things. Our truck almost fell over.
I wanna go this way. Out of the way! I'm trying to get where I'm going, sir.
Clara was always so
What
nice
happens
to
if you
Dad
hit
and
people
I.
in this?
It'll be great to see
He's just dead!
I don't think I'm supposed to go this way. Uh-oh, I'm stuck on this. Uh-oh, I'm
Kill
stuck.
the witnesses!
Uh-oh, I'm
Kill
stuck.
the witnesses!
Uh-oh, I'm stuck.
Get out of the car and run!
Okay, there we go, there we go. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. Nothing happened, nothing happened. No one saw it.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you about leaving witnesses?
Look, there's a unicorn. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
I don't think it's fine.
No one saw anything.
Okay, it's a fake unicorn. Hold on.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's fresh meat for the burgers. We could use that because we couldn't buy it. Ah! Okay, you dodged that one.
How do I get over there? That way? Through the back alley. It's fine. Whoa.
It's fine. Everything.
Why stop putting me inside the truck? Come on. Come on. Can we go through that alley? No?
I like how the passerby is just staring at us.
Just like, sir? Okay, we're going this way.
I would be running the opposite fucking direction.
I'm killing all...
I'm
sorry! I'm sorry!
Set up shop here later.
I didn't expect a food truck simulator to have 4 casualties, 5 casualties. No, 4. One of them got out of the way. I didn't think food truck would have 4 casualties.
I'm just trying to get to freaking Clara's place, man. I didn't expect it to be so difficult to drive there. Okay, we're almost there. It's fine. Okay. We made it!
Good. You're just on time.